Hey everybody, Jim King back out here with my amigos, King Pierce Cartel. We're on we had to go to Lawrence for a couple of days, and we're back. It's perfect time to be back because it's pouring down rain. We're just about finished with the walls here, then we're going to come back and restore these floors. Stay tuned. Some of these walls, you can see stone, block. Back there was a concrete wall. And so you got a little bit of everything here. It's very unique. We're going to make it beautiful. Also today we came here, this was all full of water. Jaime called me. He said, hey, we need to put a sump pump in. So we're going to put a sump pump in right here. Tie it into this line here, run it up out of the house, outside in the ground to a pop-up valve to do it right. So I got to spring that up on the homeowner, but we'll do it for cost, so it won't cost you very much money in addition. Wasn't planning on doing that. King Pierce, Kansas City, great job. In here making this home beautiful. I think they're going to stay down here, some of the family, and I told Yolanda all she'll need is a space heater and throw rug, and the rug should be fine. So, anyway, for all your foundation repair needs, King Pierce, Kansas City. We go anywhere, Overland Park, Lee Summit, Blue Springs, Independence, Bonner Springs, we go everywhere. Lawrence, Kansas, we've been there for a lot here in the last couple of months. Give me a call, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.